Welcome to the DXL Administrator installation instruction video. You can download the latest DXL Administrator software at harding-tech.com/downloads.html. From there, you will be forwarded to our SharePoint directory that houses our DXL folder along with the DXL software and firmware updates for our equipment. Please note to check to verify that you download and use the latest version of the DXL Administrator software in your projects. If you wish to have multiple MicroComm DXL Administrator software on the same laptop or PC, rename the installation folder to include the version number. Once the DXL Administrator software is successfully installed, feel free to launch the software. When you launch the DXL Administrator software for the first time, you will need to create a project. You can go under File and create a project and use a name appropriate to the project you're working on. Once you create a project, configuration, logging, and diagnostic will be available. Feel free to create a configuration file at this time. In this example, we use 1.0.0. Once a configuration file is deployed to an active DCC and activated, it becomes locked out. In order to make changes to that configuration, you will need to unlock that configuration file by saving as a new version.